Pininilitum dak District Commissioner Lapen District Magistrate angnu kepidam alu ke lahelo ningkan thomkep likep ba aprang dak arlo ke do tum duo hut dak chot kalilo ulfa pe ne duo hut asam adang isita rat atum ahili license ke do ahili government atum sis pon to ad lo pon to ad lo hala ulfa man ni atum ka pe pon long leji apan se la ke claim amar hal so ahili non ke ilitum long da ka extremist avedet lo an ke ahili bang ke ilitum rat atum license long log of PC ame thang a poisa pen si genam lai hoi hile lama si non ke akam vedet lo pod government tum ke akam vedet lo la sila so hile itum bang ke akam do athema ajha hile ka ha ifusar atum ke nam ajirding olo ningkan pharo prang ke nam hile ha british tum arni di ingras arni hile la sondo lasi halai huya hile ke mathadam edlote sentimental bostu lage family is your property lasi laso hile along si family etum aburonji apur kimot hadak si dolo lasi lai huya hile non license ke do atum along nang che voi tu nangji pusini tum lo kipi dak disiapan itum a property lo lake rat atum property lo teng BNS along ba BNSS along ke tok anta itum property ke cibilong lapen property eme thang along si cibi nangi lapuson allo do lapen universal declaration of human rights along article 16 along pulo munit atum citizen atum ke property cibilong vek nangji lapen article 17 along pulo jokta property ke thidet un e lake Alangli tum Ameiphu along pacibilong vek nei pudak tok do lasi non nilitum tuning pen lo logi pike la nang chewoi chu er nang ipu ama DC office pen nilipan city na tok apranga DC bang nilitum APHLC fancy nang tum la hoi ahile ko pipia hile ma nang tum nitum hanang than tha pujo ange lage nitum APHLC lege nam ga lidet hile ge nitum APHLC long lege chibia hile ta lidet lage lake hala license ke do tum long si kagos potro ke doji hala tum long si hang nang ji aku kisis tang lo pulo tang te lake dak DC office arm branch along hadi arm branch pudu hala tum long si la kisis ahile an ke hadak si ahisap ke do adlu amenda do adlo ko pia hile ma tok wok hile ma kartus hile ma lai hui hadak ke tok do adlu lage DC office long si dolo kalite SP long si dolo SP long thuke lage do vek lo athima DC la hile ke bi gali SP si ke BTT lapen ciklo jon pen batai si magistrate bang DC office pen policy inspect dam titi mal khana long si BTT la sa hile hai hui la pot si netum APHLC tunge lage chini ne lo goman mai hile ma lage netum hile gali rat hile lage la si hala rat atum phansi che voi tu nangi pu ni tungi pu apra DC bang ne lipan nang than nun lo eson alam mangke Ameiphu atum si ame thang si dorkhasto DC apan pinang jipu komada hile si aprang kisis pon ma ke pon ma non ame thang atum dorkhasto pinang ji an ke chelong thu jipu si aprang hi DC tanang than la si pini ta ne tum DC apan la si kepidam nitum English pen dak tok ningje poyo nilitum dak la son hello nilitum ke tok please allow me to clarify I am not the owner of the guns. APHLC is not the owner of the guns. the guns were seized from the rightful owners living in different places in Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong autonomous districts. Seizure of most of the guns took place when there was only one Karbi Anglong autonomous district. Hamren was only a subdivision. The details of the guns are expected to be maintained by the arms branch in the office of the district magistrate or deputy commissioner Karbi Anglong. The details of the seized guns must also be in the office of the superintendent of police Diphu Karbi Anglong. I have written to you these letters on behalf of the people concerning the licensed guns which were lawfully seized by the police on orders from the government from the rightful owners several years ago to prevent the militants from snatching away these guns from the rightful owners. The people desire to keep their licensed guns with them because these guns are ancestral properties. These guns often tell sentimental family history, and these guns were purchased by the owners after receipt of the license. Under BNS and BNSS, citizens have the right to keep their properties with themselves. Article 16 of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights authorizes everyone to own property. Article 17 prohibits depriving a person of his or her property. Moreover, due to increase of elephant population, the elephants intrude far into the human habitation and cultivation. They are not afraid of crackers, bombs or anything. It is dangerous to keep watch over the crops without weapon for self-protection. We therefore request you to take immediate necessary action to return the licensed guns to the rightful owners without delay. Nitum APHLC leader atum si sohilo Lapen DC aphan la kepidam lo Lapen DC ta la sokam seriously lang po pusin ng tagdut. Gria bangke komat ahile si aprang ke pon ma Alangli tum akagos do tame vetame Alangli tum DC aphan lo pinangi. Athema akagos bangke DC office si dopo kali ke SP office along si dopo. Lahelo ako akagos le don de miong chot lo photocopy xerox seram ra krong dunling nang po application na lo pe prabjing ben claim nang ji